How to use Square Website Builder. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own website using the Square Website Builder. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing we're going to do is go onto squareup.com, and then you can go into their online store section, and then we're just going to click on start a free online store over here. And this will lead you to the sign up page for Square, where you're going to just enter your email and your name and password to sign up for Square. So I am just going to enter this information, or if you already have an account, you can sign in over here as well. And I'm just going to sign in onto my account. Now, once you're filling up the sign up form, they're going to ask you what kind of business you are running. So I'm running a beauty and personal care business, and you're going to select the business category. So let's say we are running a nail salon, or maybe let's just say it's a beauty salon to make it more broad. And you can select if you do accept credit cards yet or not. So Square can accommodate for that accordingly. And I'm just going to continue with that. Then you're going to enter your business name. So I'm just going to say Jane's Beauty Salon. Then you're going to just enter your phone number and your city. So I'm just going to do that and get back to you guys in a second. Now, you might be wondering, okay, this is your basic dashboard. How do you actually get to your website editor? Well, from here, this is your basic dashboard. You can set up all of your items, your orders, transactions, all of that good stuff, all the stuff that you're later on going to need to manage your store. You can run it from here. Then you have your e-commerce tools as well. And then you have your overall payment setups and delivery status as well. But for setting up your actual website, what you're going to do is you're going to go into the settings section, and you're going to go into app integrations. And from here, you're actually going to find the website editor. So you can see over here that there are a few recommended apps, and then you can click on visit app marketplace. And from this part, you're actually going to find the marketplace or the actual Square website builder, or you can find Wix or any other website builder of your choice and start using that on the top of Square. So let's say you have Wix. If you're already using Wix, Wix is a great integration that goes with Square. So let's just say we're going to link Wix, and what you're just going to do is you're going to click on Wix, you're going to click on get started over here, and then you're just going to link your Wix store onto your Square store. So you can see Wix plus a Square integration, and then you're just going to click on start now. And if you already have a Wix website, you can just log it in. So I'm just going to continue with my Facebook account, and I'm going to link my Wix website onto Square so I can start customizing it from the Square platform. So you can see over here I have a couple of templates, and I'm just going to pick out a template that I want. So let's say I just want to open up this template, and now you can see it is going to open up the template for me to edit, and I can start actually linking my sites onto Square. So this is how easy it is to get started with Square and integrate it with other applications. Now, once you are actually set up on Square, you want to go back into your initial dashboard, and then you can start getting access and managing it via the Square platform directly. Now you can see over here I'm just designing my website, and this is going to be the website that is going to be integrated with my Square account. So you can do this, or you can also just head on over to Wix and then link your Square account. It goes both ways. Now I find that this website is pretty decent. If you want to start editing it, what you're going to do is it's very easy to edit on Wix. What you're just going to do is any item that you want to edit, you're just going to select that, and you're going to have a bunch of different options on the top. You're going to click on edit text if you want to edit the text. So let's say I want to write biggest sale of the year, something like that, whatever you might want to write. So you can just add that as you go and customize it accordingly, like so. You can just customize the Wix template that you have chosen, just like this. And if you go on over here, you can switch the pages. So you can see these are the different pages within the template. If you want to remove pages, you can just go on to this left button over here called menus and pages. You're going to select that, and from here you can view all of the pages and remove them accordingly, or add more if you want. So I'm just going to open that up, and what I'm going to do now is you can see over here I have all of these different pages, and I can just drag them and manage them accordingly. But I'm just going to leave them as is. This is just like a sample website that I'm going along with. This is like a template, so it has some sample prices. What I'm just going to do is I'm just going to click on publish over here, and I'm just going to publish this website. Now, I do have a detailed video on how to create your Wix store and how to design it, so do check that out if you want to get a more in-depth view of how you can actually design your Wix website and how to customize templates and do all that. But currently, this is just my basic website. Now, after you have your website set up, you're just going to go back into your Square account, and from your Square account now you can actually customize your items. So you can see if you go on to your items list over here. So you can see I have this necklace added. Now what I can do is I can click on create an item, and what this will do is just I can directly create items, and I can directly create like all of my website items or directly from here. So let's say I have a new t-shirt and I can add a category, so whatever category it might be. I have only one added currently, so I'm just going to leave that, and then you can add any kind of description, and then you can choose if you have any physical locations for your store as well, and you can link those as well. And then you can add SKUs, which are the unique numbers that you have set for your items, and then you can use what kind of variation this is. So if this product is available by yard, by pound, by liter, or by item, and then you're going to add the price of your item, and then you can add a stock of the item as well, so how much it is currently available, and so it will automatically be labeled as sold out once it is sold out on your actual store. So you're just going to click on save over here, and just like that you have saved your next item, and then this will serve you as a customization to your actual website without having to open up any kind of heavy website editors. You can modify your items, modify a lot about your website directly from here, and this is just the great part about using Square for your business and your website. Now after that you even have your image library, so you can upload a bunch of different images and then add them to product as you go. Then you also have different item modifiers, so sizes, you can add sizes, color variations, all of those variations over here. And then you have categories, discount, sales tax, options. So in the options section you actually can create like a bracelet size. You can organize your variation in the options, and then you also have the units of the item available, and this is how you can manage your product catalog from your Square dashboard or Square website editor. And then you also have your orders over here, so from here you can track all of your orders as well, your online orders, and then you also have transactions and customers and general analytic reports, so you can get your website activity summarized all over here. So you can see all of your sales summaries, you can see your cash drawers, your activity logs, and the overall sales trend of your items and the different payment methods that people are using. You can get good analytics and data about that directly from the Square dashboard without having to go back into your actual Wix website editor. And another thing about this combination is that you can easily just integrate as many Wix websites as you want with as many Square accounts, so there's really no limitation. You can just go on to Wix and create a different website for a different store and then link a different Square account to that, and then you can just use these in integration or in parallel to each other, and then you're going to easily be able to manage your website using Square or manage your business using Square and use the Wix integration to develop your website. Now Wix is not the only integration available. You can go back into your app integration and you can also use WordPress, or you can also use EasyCart, Shippo, or Nopcommerce, whatever kind of e-commerce store that you want to go with. If you do try to use WordPress, it costs you $25 per month, so you do have to keep that into consideration, but there are a lot of other great free website builders available for you to pick from on Square and integrate them with your overall business. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to design your own website using the Square website editor. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.